what's up you guys? My name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you guys a very exciting collection. It is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood. Like, oh my goodness, look at this. This packaging is stunning. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. So this unicarton is a gorgeous royal blue and it has a velveteen texture with some wood designs in there. As you can see, it's designed to look like a coffin casket, and it has gorgeous silver detailing on the sides all around, and of course it has blue blood imprinted in the middle here. When you open the unicarton, this is what is inside: the gorgeous Tiffany blue blood palette. I can't talk today apparently. Here she is. This packaging is absolutely sickening. It's just stunning. The attention to detail is absolutely crazy here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this palette real quick to give you a sneak peek inside, and without any hesitation, I'm gonna dive right into doing a look with it. So here is what the palette looks like. She is absolutely gorgeous. There are some beautiful shades. Just look, I'm gonna get out of the frame. Look at all of these stunning shades. Alright, so I've just quickly pulled back my hair and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So the first shade that I'm going to start out with is Wealthy, and I'm just going to rub this all over my eyelids. So here's that shade. Wealthy is laid down, and as you can see, it is my perfect shade of nude to set my eye and get it ready to lay the rest of the shadows down beautifully. Into the shade Flourishing, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. The next shade that I'm going to dip into is Blue Monday, and I'm just going to put that right over top of Flourishing to deepen my crease. Next, I'm going to jump right into Mint Tea, and I'm just going to put that right here on the outer edge to kind of blend that upwards. Alright, the next shade that I'm going to take is Undertaker, and I'm just going to put that into the outer corner and really deepen it up. Alright, with that all done, I'm going to go ahead and do kind of a half cut crease right here. And right here, I am going to dip into Ocean Ice. And the next shade I'm going to dip into is Entitled. And then I'm going to finally go into Cullinan and put that on the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend those colors together. Alright, and I'm going to take Blue Monday one last time and continue to buff that into my crease just to blend everything. And I'm also going to bring Blue Monday and blend that under. And then with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Moonchild palette, and I'm going to mix Blue Moon and Blue Ice and highlight my face with that. Alright, you guys, so this is my final look with the Blue Blood palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was simple enough to follow. I'm not the most artistic or coordinated person, so I'm hoping that other people can follow this as well. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, please let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.